Hello everyone. So this video is a review for the Rachel Ray Nutrish natural food for cat. This is a treat with added vitamins, minerals, and taurine, grain free. And this one is a SEA-SATIONal Florentine with wild caught salmon and veggies in a creamy sauce. And this is a 2 ounces. And there's a lot of good ingredients in here. So 1 bowl or 1 cup of this Rachel Ray Nutrish, I divided it 2 for our 2 cats. And as you can see, they look like they are waiting because it smells something. And this female one, the gray cats, this minx, she really likes the treats a lot. But most of the time, she's the one who finished everything. It's just like if the male cat is not finished the food, she's the one who's going to finish it. So here we go. We're going to show them and give them the treats. So as you can see, my female cat starting eating. But the male cat, he's just there, but he just only stares at the food. And he only licks it. So I do not know why. Maybe there's something in these treats that my male cat do not like. So there's a lot of sauce and there's fish in there. Usually he likes fish, but not this time. And the ingredients are really good, by the way. They have fish broth, salmon, mackerel, sardines, vegetable oil, carrots, and a lot of stuff in here which are good for the cats. And these are for the adult cats only. I bought this in Food Lion for 99 cents. You can also buy this stuff in Amazon. So these 2 cats, their food, also Rachel Ray, the rice and lentils. That's their food. So I always bought 14 pounds in Amazon and it only cost me $18 and change. If you are a Prime member, they will going to ship it to you for free. You can also buy this treats in Amazon as well, but this the one that I bought. I just wanted to try, so I bought it in Food Lion when we went to food shopping, and I went to the pet section. I found this one. It's like, oh, Rachel Ray have treats in a can or in a cap, so let me try this. But my female cat, it looks like she just only finishing the sauce, but there's still some leftovers in there. My male cat did not even bother it at all, did not even try to eat the fish, just only lick the sauce. So I have no idea why these cats do not like it. Maybe there's something in here, but there's a lot of vegetables and some stuff which is very nutritious. And I just don't know. We'll see by the end of the video. You can see how much the leftover. Let your cats try this food. You can buy this into any supermarkets in our area. And please guys, like and subscribe into my channel. Click the bell button in there so that you will be notified into my next video. Have a great day everyone. Bye.